Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we will share helpful information about BMW guys, if you have a 3 Series before the facelift, about the steering angle sensor. Helpful information about installing a new steering angle sensor. So you can see that BMW here guys, we've been taking quite a few things apart, and if you look on the steering column, there is no steering angle sensor attached to it. So you're starting to wonder where that thing could be, right? Because it's nowhere here on the steering column. Now this one will be before actually the facelift, I believe. The facelift could be a little bit different, so double check that. So we removed our airbag. We had the battery disconnected 1 hour before we removed the airbag. Then we disconnected the airbag, removed the steering wheel guys, and those are the switches, the steering wheel switches. Okay, right here with the cork spring, and that cork spring now, okay, if you remove it, I'm going to show you. Okay, let me just pull it out quick. If you remove it guys, okay, those switches here and that assembly comes together with the steering angle sensor. Your steering angle sensor is inside right here. You can remove that cap. We have the video on the channel to check out what it looks like on the inside. Not too complicated, it has 2-3 parts on the inside, but that's where your steering angle sensor is. The new replacement comes like that. That's our new one that came. That's how we purchased ours. So when you're ready to install it, it's very important guys how you install now that thing. Okay, let me show you right here. Okay, you can see that arrow and that hole right here. They need to line up, and after that, okay, that little tooth on the cork spring, okay, will need to be aligned, okay, with that hole, and then you press it in. Now you can see, not very complicated. Installing guys is in reverse order with 2 key part. You need to install this on the steering column, connect the wires, don't forget to connect the wires. After that you need to install your steering wheel, airbag, put all the trim pieces together in the meantime, and that will be the whole video guys. We'll have more than 200 videos made on this BMW, so make sure you guys hit that subscribe button for more. You can find out more on our second channel, Auto Repair guys, so check it out. And if you need help with anything, drop a comment below. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.